Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Yes, remember that emblem? Oh, we got another one here. But she's a blue beauty. Yeah, I always want to call them a blue or a beauty. Whatever you want to, but don't touch. Remember, use respect for the people that have taken the time to make these cars into the beautiful creations that they originally were. All shiny and bright now, just like if they were on the car room shore floor. Some of them better. Look at those gauges in the glove compartment dashboard. Look at that upholstery. Now those cannot be easy. I have never seen an old car that's been picked up out of some place and refurbished ever have any ounce of upholstery left. That's good. Most of it's always crumbling. Look at that. Trunk view. See how much trunk space you got? Got a dead body? You can hide it. Just make sure you wrap it up good. That's a joke. Do not try it, people. Do not try it. They will catch you. CSI is good. Actually, just get a mink wrench. If you like this beauty and want to see more, just check out some more of them. I've got plenty of them. Until next time on Willis Talk, this is Willis signing off.